Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Audi Q7. First, make sure your key fob is securely inside the vehicle, perhaps in your pocket or a cup holder. Next, locate the engine start-stop button, typically found on the center console or dashboard. Before pressing it, firmly depress the brake pedal with your foot. This is a crucial safety step for ignition. Once the key fob is detected, the vehicle system is ready for ignition. With your foot still on the brake, simply press the engine start-stop button one time. You will hear the engine smoothly come to life, indicating it is ready for operation. This convenient push-button system makes starting your Audi Q7 effortless and quick, getting you on the road in moments. Sometimes, your key fob battery might be running low. If this happens, your Audi Q7 has a clever override. Look for a designated slot, often found in the center console or a cup holder, marked with a key symbol. Place your key fob directly into this slot. This allows the vehicle to read the key's transponder directly, ensuring you can still start your engine without any trouble, even with a weak battery. To turn off your Audi Q7, first bring the vehicle to a complete stop in a safe and appropriate parking spot. Next, ensure your gear selector is firmly in the park position. Finally, simply press the engine start-stop button one more time. The engine will shut down and the vehicle systems will power off, completing your journey smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.